Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable K. Haj Muhammad Hassan Mutawakkil Allah SIMM, as caregiver of Zainul Hassan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, and Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz BAMAG, as Rector of Zainul Hassan Genggong Islamic University, and respectable Dr. Zainuddin MPD, our respect lecturer and supervisor. I am Muhammad Farel and
Ahmad Fajar Ramdhani.
We will discuss about tourism place. Hi Fajar, how was your weekend?
Hi Farel, it was nice. I just started here. How about you? Did you go?
Oh, I did. I was thinking of exploring East Java soon. Where are you from again? Probolinggo, right?
That's right, Probolinggo. You should visit.
I will. Is there a famous place to visit near your city?
Definitely, have you heard of Mount Bromo?
Oh, Bromo? Yes, I know that. Is it close to Probolinggo?
Yes, it is. Probolinggo is one of the main gateways to Bromo. It's famous for the amazing sunrise view.
Oh, that sounds beautiful. How long does it take to get there from the city center?
About 1 to 2 hours by car to the entrance gate. It's not too far.
Oh, good to know. How about Kuningan? Like, what is the main attraction there?
Well, Kuningan is known for its beautiful nature and clear. We have Mount Ciremai and also Sukamulya waterfall.
Oh, Mount Ciremai. Is it good for hiking?
Yes, it is the highest peak in West Java, so it's popular for serious hiker. But if you prefer something easier, you can visit Situ Sangyang Lake. Is that like a good spot for relaxing?
Very good. Is it quiet and beautiful? We also have many natural hot springs and Sangkanurip.
Interesting, so hiking in Bromo and relaxing at Situ Sangyang. I have got a plan now.
Wait, let me know when you visit Probolinggo.
I will tell you when I plan to visit Kuningan.
Sound like a plan. See you later, Fajar.
See you, Farel.
That's all. Thank you very much. I would like you all to forgive us if we made mistake in our speak. As I say, Assalamualaikum